Hey, English learners! Welcome back to
So English.
your cozy little place to build your English confidence. I'm May.
Hello, May, and hello, everyone. I'm Jay. How are you today, May?
I'm doing amazing, Jay. Actually, I just had the most interesting morning. I was helping my neighbor and I realized something big.
Oh, yeah? What happened?
She's been studying English for 2 years. Grammar, vocabulary, everything. But when a delivery guy knocked on her door, she just froze. She couldn't say a single word.
Wait, really? After 2 years?
Yes, and you know why? Because nobody taught her the everyday phrases, the simple, real ones people actually use every single day.
Oh, wow. So like the phrases you need just to live life in English?
Exactly, and that's what we're doing today. 99 phrases you need every single day for speaking real English, real life.
Okay, I'm so ready for this. This sounds super useful.
It is. And real quick, if you're finding value in this podcast, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this with a friend who's learning English. You sharing it helps us reach more learners every single day. Okay, let's dive in.
Let's go. So, May, where do we even begin with 99 phrases?
Okay, so I'm going to break them into groups, real situations you face every day, starting with greetings, because that's always the door you open first.
Makes sense. Like saying hello?
Right, but not just hello. Think about what real people say. Hey, how's it going? What's up? How have you been? These are the ones you hear everywhere.
Oh, I always hear what's up, but I never know what to say back.
That's so common. Here's the secret. You don't have to say anything deep. Just say, not much, you? Or pretty good, thanks. Done.
Wait, that's it? Just not much, you?
That's it. English small talk is actually very simple. People aren't looking for a life story. They just want connection.
Okay, that actually makes me feel way better. What's next?
Now, let's talk about asking for help, because this one is huge. Every single day, you might need something, and knowing how to ask is everything.
Like, what kind of phrases?
So you've got, could you help me with this? Or, do you mind if I ask you something? Or even just, sorry to bother you, but...
Oh, I like that one. Sorry to bother you, but it sounds so polite.
Yes, and polite goes a long way. You know, I remember when I first moved to a new city, I needed directions and I was so nervous to ask.
What did you do?
I walked past the same corner 3 times. Finally, I said, "Excuse me, could you help me? I am a little lost." And the person was so kind.
3 times. Okay, so just say it. Just ask.
Just say it. Excuse me is like a magic key. It opens every door.
What about when you don't understand something? That happens to me all the time.
Oh, this is so important. You need phrases like, sorry, could you say that again? Or, I didn't quite catch that. Or, could you speak a little slower, please?
You mean like it's okay to ask someone to slow down?
100% okay. Native speakers do it too. Nobody expects you to catch everything perfectly.
Wow, that's so reassuring. I always feel embarrassed.
Don't be. Asking for clarity is actually a sign of good communication. It shows you care about understanding.
Okay, I love that. So what group comes next?
Agreeing and disagreeing, because in real conversations, you always need to respond to what someone says. You can't just nod forever.
True. I do that sometimes. Just nod and smile.
We all do, but now you've got better tools. For agreeing, say, absolutely, that makes total sense. I couldn't agree more. You're so right about that.
Those sound so natural. What about disagreeing? That feels harder.
It can feel scary, but here's a soft way to do it. I see your point, but... Or that's interesting, though I think, or I'm not sure I agree, actually.
Oh, nice. So you're not being rude, you're just being honest.
Exactly. You cushion it, like a pillow before the punch.
A pillow before the punch. I love that.
Wait, here's the interesting part. Most arguments in English don't start because of what people say. They start because of how they say it.
Whoa, so the phrases actually protect the relationship?
Yes, the right phrase keeps the door open. The wrong one slams it shut.
Okay, that's deep. What's next on the list?
Okay, opinions. Because people will always ask, what do you think? And you need a real answer ready.
Right, and sometimes I just say, it's okay, because I don't know what else to say.
We need to upgrade that. Try, in my opinion, or personally I think, or if you ask me. These phrases signal that you're about to share something real.
So it's like announcing your opinion before you give it.
Exactly. It's like saying, hey, I'm about to talk now. It gives you a second to think, too.
Oh, that's clever. Buy yourself some time.
Smart, right? And if you're not sure about something, say, I'm not totally sure, but I think, or don't quote me on this, but...
You mean like you're warning them it might not be perfect?
Exactly. Honesty in communication builds trust. People respect you more when you admit you're not 100% certain.
Okay, let's keep going. What area haven't we covered yet?
Okay, big one. Talking about time. Because life is full of schedules, appointments, deadlines.
Oh, yes. I always struggle with this at work or school.
So you need phrases like, let me check my schedule. Can we reschedule? I'm running a little late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
I'm running a little late. I use that one actually.
See? You already know some. And add, sorry for the delay or thanks for waiting. Those two phrases, people love to hear them.
Because they show you respect their time?
Exactly. Time is the one thing nobody can get back. Acknowledging that, big deal.
This is where things change for me. I never thought about time phrases as being that important.
Oh, they're huge. And here's a funny story. My friend once told her boss she'd finish a report soon. You know what happened?
What?
Her boss thought soon meant in 1 hour. She meant in 1 week.
No way. That's such a big misunderstanding.
Yes, so be specific. Say, I'll finish by Friday, or I'll send it this afternoon. Clear is kind.
Clear is kind. I'm writing that down.
Please do. Now let's talk about something you do every single day. Shopping, ordering food, getting things done.
Oh, yes. Like at a coffee shop or restaurant?
Perfect example. You need, can I get, or I'd like to order, or what do you recommend? And when you receive something, this looks great, thank you.
What about if there's a problem, like the order is wrong?
Great question. Say, excuse me, I think there might be a mistake, or I'm sorry, but I ordered something different. Calm, polite, clear.
That sounds so much better than getting upset.
Always. A calm voice gets better results than a loud one. Trust me on that.
You won't believe what I used to do. I'd just eat the wrong order and say nothing.
Oh no, you needed these phrases earlier.
I really did. Okay, what else is on our list?
Phone and messaging phrases, because so much of life now happens on the phone or online.
Oh, good. I panic a little on phone calls.
So many people do. Okay, try, is this a good time to talk? I'll call you back in a bit. Can you send me a text instead? Or when you're on a call, sorry, I lost you for a second. Can you repeat that?
Oh, I love, is this a good time to talk? It's so considerate.
It really is. You're respecting their space. And if you need to end a call, I'll let you go now is a beautiful phrase.
I let you go, like you're setting them free?
Exactly. It's gentle. It's kind. No awkward silence.
Okay, let's keep the momentum. What's next?
feelings and emotions, because real English includes emotional honesty.
Oh, like how to express how you feel?
Yes, I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed. That really made my day. I'm so relieved. Honestly, I was nervous about this.
You mean like saying it out loud is normal in English?
Very normal. English speakers talk about feelings openly. It builds connection.
Wow. In some cultures, that's private stuff.
I know. But when you're speaking English, especially with international people, emotional vocabulary makes you more relatable, more human.
That's actually beautiful. So, say what you feel.
Say what you feel, with good phrases. And here's one I love. When something good happens, don't just say good, say that's incredible. I'm so happy for you. That's such great news.
Oh, it makes the other person feel seen.
Yes, big difference between good and that's incredible. Congratulations.
Okay, what about compliments? I want to give compliments in English.
Oh, this is fun. You did a great job. That was really well done. I love the way you explained that. You have such a good sense of humor.
Those sound so warm. What about accepting a compliment? I always just say, no, 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 and wave my hand.
Oh, so many people do that. In English, accept the compliment. Just say, thank you so much, or that's really kind of you to say. Simple and gracious.
So don't reject it, just receive it.
Receive it with a smile. You're not being arrogant, you're being gracious.
I'm going to practice that today. Okay, May, before we move to the last section, can we do a quick little scenario, like a real-life role play?
Oh, yes, great idea. Okay, listeners, imagine this. Jay just walked into a coffee shop. It's busy, it's loud, and the barista is moving fast. Jay, you're up. What do you say?
Okay. Excuse me. Hi, could I get a medium latte, please? Oh, and what do you recommend if I want something sweet?
Perfect. See that? 3 phrases in 10 seconds. Excuse me, could I get, and what do you recommend? Natural, polite, confident.
And then the barista gives me the wrong drink. What do I say?
Stay calm, smile. Say, I'm sorry, I think there might be a mix-up. I ordered a latte, not a cappuccino. That's it. No drama, just clear communication.
And if they apologize to me?
You say, no worries at all. It happens. And just like that, the whole situation is handled with grace.
Wow, that felt so smooth. I actually want to go to a coffee shop now just to practice.
That's the spirit, and that's exactly how it works in real life. You practice in small moments, and slowly it becomes automatic.
Okay, May, we're getting close to the end. What are the last big groups?
2 more important ones, problem-solving phrases and conversation closers.
Problem-solving sounds useful, like at work?
Everywhere. Let me figure this out. Can we think of another solution? How about we try it this way? Let's take it one step at a time.
Let's take it one step at a time. That one feels calm, like a hug in a phrase.
A hug in a phrase. I love that, Jay. And when something goes wrong, say, it's okay, we can fix this. Or, let's not panic. Let's think.
Those are so good for work and for life, honestly.
Life first, work second. If you can speak well in life, work follows naturally.
And conversation closers? How do you end a conversation nicely?
So important. It was so nice talking to you. Let's catch up again soon. Take care, have a wonderful day, talk soon.
Oh, those feel so warm, not just bye-bye and walk away.
Right. Leave people with a good feeling. The last thing you say is what people remember.
Okay, I want to do a quick recap because there was so much gold in this episode.
Yes, let's do it. We covered greetings, asking for help, understanding phrases, agreeing and disagreeing, sharing opinions, time phrases, shopping and ordering, phone phrases, emotional vocabulary, compliments, problem solving, and conversation closers.
That is seriously 99 situations of real life packed into phrases.
And you don't have to learn them all today. Just pick 5. Use them this week. Then pick 5 more.
That's such a smart approach. Small steps, big results.
Always. Language is a habit, not a test. Build the habit and fluency follows.
May, this episode genuinely changed how I think about speaking English.
That makes me so happy to hear, Jay. And honestly, that's why we show up every single day, for moments like this.
Every day, listeners, we're here every day, so make sure you're subscribed so you never miss an episode.
And before we go, we have a question for you, our wonderful listeners. Which of these phrase groups do you need the most practice with right now? Is it compliments, phone calls, disagreeing politely, or maybe ordering at a coffee shop, like Jay?
Tell us in the comments. We read every single one.
Your comment might even inspire our next episode topic, so don't be shy.
That's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
Keep practicing, keep showing up, and remember, every phrase you learn is one more door you can open. Take care, everyone.
Talk soon. Bye.